We have our 3 kV power supply. We've had this for a long time, many, many years. This is great. We suggest these, use them for corded tools. You have phase, that little button you push down, and you have ground. We suggest this for corded tools. This here, you got a Milwaukee battery, and you pop that in, and this thing puts out 3,000 volts. It's a live non-voltage source. We're not rubbing on our shirt, getting a little bit of static. Nope. We're looking for real electrons. We want electrons that are high voltage. We don't want our electrons coming off our little shirt. We touch a little piece of metal. Maybe your boat trailer, you're going to get your boat out real soon. You go buy your boat trailer, you took off your tarp, covering that trailer up to keep it nice for the winter, but you're ready to get a tan lines, and you get that boat ready, and you go by after you move that tarp off your boat, and you touch the metal tongue of your trailer to get ready to put it on your truck, and you get shocked a little bit. That's not high voltage, folks. That ain't gonna work, okay? So you're gonna get 3 kV power supply for your corded tools. We have a handheld power supply for your single point devices, your wireless. How's that? Handheld. Let's see what that looks like. All right. Let's turn this on, 3 kV power supply. We're going to put it in URD because we're close to the ground plane. It's going to be a little high. We got some metal table here, so it's going to be a little high, and that's okay. All right. There you go. High voltage. We got a handheld. I'll turn that off. We got a handheld power supply. Okay. Right there. About 2,000 volts. Actually, it puts out about 1,500. What do you think, Joey? About 1,500? Okay. And so it's getting about 2,000. My hands are close to it, as you can see. These are low current devices, low power. They are very safe. You can take this tool, the handheld, and you can put it on your skin. I don't recommend it. Don't do that. And you'll be fine if you turn it on. That 3 kV power supply, about 3,000 volts. Low current, low power, very safe. You won't be happy. Your hair may be a little curly afterwards, but you won't be happy. But it's safe, okay? Use them.